In this video, I will show you how to make a health or a mana bar in 3 different styles. The health bars we are going to make will increase and decrease smoothly and gradually changing color. I have 4 buttons that will increase and decrease the health value and a text that will display the current health value. I will show you how these buttons and text work in the script. But before doing that, let's set up our health bars in the scene. First, create a square sprite. Create a new image and don't forget to set the canvas scale mode to scale with screen size. Now rename the image and adjust the width and height. Then drag and drop the square sprite in the source image. After that, change the image type to filled and select the option horizontal under the fill method. Now as you can see, we can change the fill amount of the image by simply changing the fill amount. We will assign the fill amount to the health value from a script. Create a new C# script that will handle the player's health or mana. Inside the script, type using UnityEngine.ui because we are using the Unity Engine's UI to display the health bar and text. Type public text health text and this will be the display text. Type public image health bar and this one will be for the health bar image. Then create 2 float variables, one for the current health and the other one for the maximum health. I will choose 100 to be the maximum health value. Create a start function and set the health to the maximum health value, so the health will be automatically set to 100. Now create an update function and inside set the health text.text to display the health value. Now I will create a new function called health bar filler and I will call it from the update function. Inside this function, set the health bar fill amount to health divided by maximum health. Because the fill amount should be between 0 and 1, we can't set the fill amount to 50, so we divide the health by the maximum health to get 0.5. Now I will create 2 functions that will damage and heal the player. These functions will take a damaging and healing values. In the damage function, I will decrease the health by the damaging point if the health is greater than 0. And in the heal function, I will increase the health by the healing point if the health is less than the maximum health. Now back to the update function, I will set the health to the maximum health whenever it's greater than that, because we don't want the player's health to be greater than the maximum. Now save and go back to Unity. Drag and drop the script into your main camera. Now I will quickly give my buttons their functionalities. Select the main camera and drag and drop the health text and the health bar into the scripts. Now as you can see, everything works fine, except the color never changed and it's not smoothly increasing and decreasing. So let's work on that. Create a new float variable called lerp speed. Lerp speed will be the speed for the fill amount to go from value to another. In the update function, set the lerp speed to 3 times time.time. Of course, you can play with the number, but 3 is okay. Now in the health bar filler function, replace the health over max health with mathf.lerp. Enter the starting value, which is the current fill amount, comma, the final value, which is the health divided by maximum health, comma, lerp speed. And to change the color, I will create a new function called color changer, and I will call it from the update function. Inside this function, type color health color equals color.lerp from color red to color green by health over maximum health. Now set the health bar color to health color. Now if we save and go back to Unity, we will see that the health bar is increasing and decreasing smoothly with colors from green to red and from red to green. Now to make the round health bar, we will have to make a ring sprite. You can make your own one or download the one I'm using from the description. You can also create a circle sprite and use it if that's what you are looking for. Everything will be the same as the first health bar, except for the fill method, select radial 360 and fill origin will be from the bottom. You can also reverse it by unchecking the clockwise box. Now you can replace the old health bar with the new one. For the last style I showed you, create a new image. Under this image, I will create 10 images. Each image will represent 10% of the player's health. I will change the color of the last 4 to green. Keep in mind that we are starting from red and ending with green. change each two to yellow, orange, and red. Now go back to the script and type public image 2 square brackets health points. The brackets after the image mean this is an array. In other words, we have more than one image. Create a new bool function called display health point that will take the health value and the point number. If the point times 10 is greater or equal the health value, then it will return true. Other than that will be false. Now inside the health bar filler function, we will create a new for loop to detect all the 10 images and enable or disable them depending on display health point function's output. This health bar is a little bit tricky and might be different depending on the maximum health and on the number of points you have in the health bar. Now go back to Unity and select the main camera. On the inspector window, click on the lock to lock the window and easily select all the 10 health points by holding shift on your keyboard and drag them to the health point in the script. I selected them from top to the bottom, that's why they are in the correct order.